All right, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Collect 007. Thank you for joining my experience to financial freedom. If you're new here, give it a listen. Interested in the subject or want to check out a particular topic, please leave it down in the comments below. Subscribing and liking this content will help the YouTube algorithm. Therefore, I greatly appreciate that. Be aware, I am not a financial advisor, as I am learning with you as I go. Today is a good day. Bitcoin is booming. It's currently at 39K. It looks like it might touch that 40K resistance. If it does, it might look bullish for the next few weeks and truly feel like we might be reaching all-time highs again within the same year. So before 2022, definitely looking forward on buying myself some more BTC. I also want to talk to you guys about a couple things. I have a video that I've been working on. I was supposed to release it before this one. I had a little technical difficulties with the Helium network. So basically what's going on with that is I'm trying to cash out the Helium that I've mined into either my Binance US account or my Crypto.com account, any wallet that accepts Helium. And I can't find anywhere where I can deposit my HNT into that wallet. If anybody can help me out there, please do so. I preach this almost every time I shoot my videos. Mass adoption is on the way. I came across this article I'm gonna read to you guys. Scan through it. I'm not gonna read the whole thing word for word, but I'll give you guys a quick little insight of what's going on. Check this out. The top 10 companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. A growing number of institution investors are piling into Bitcoin. We take a look at some of the biggest public companies that hold Bitcoin. This article is by Stephen Graves and Daniel Phillips. In brief, institutional investors are increasing by buying Bitcoin. Several major firms, among them Tesla, Square, Coinbase, have collectively purchased hundreds of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. For many years, the idea of publicly trading corporations might buy Bitcoin for their reserves was considered laughable. The top cryptocurrency was considered too volatile, too fringe to be embraced by any serious business. Over the past year, fueled by the economy effects of COVID-19 pandemic, that taboo has been well and truly broken, with the number of major institution investors buying up Bitcoin. The floodgate first opened when the cloud software company MicroStrategy bought $425 million worth of Bitcoin on August and September of 2020. Now remember, that was right before the big boom last year that brought us all the way up to like 63, 64K. Others followed suit, including payment processor Square and EV manufacturer Tesla. For investors unwilling to buy Bitcoin themselves, buying shares in public companies that hold Bitcoin can be a way of gaining exposure to assets without the hassle of arranging self-custody. Indeed, some experts think that the extent of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin purchase have made the company a de facto Bitcoin ETF. MicroStrategy, a prominent business analytic platform, has adopted Bitcoin as its primary reserve asset. Throughout 2021, the firm, which produces mobile software and cloud-based services, continued its buying spree with Bitcoin. It's now holding 105,085 Bitcoin in reserve, equivalent to $3.3 billion worth in Bitcoin. At one point, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said he is buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin every second. Unlike other CEOs who typically shy away from discussing their personal investments, Saylor has made it public that he is personally holding 17,732 Bitcoin, currently worth $565 million. He tweets, "Some have asked how much BTC I own. I personally hodl. 17,732 BTC, which I bought at $9,882 each on average. I informed Microsoft to these holdings before the company decided to buy Bitcoin for itself. As per data of BitInfo charts, this positions Sailors among the top 100 Bitcoin owners, assuming that it is all held within a single address. It's something of an about face for Microsoft CEO, who in 2013 claimed that Bitcoin's days were numbered. Now, before we get to number 2, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below if you feel like you're learning anything new, and let's keep going. Number 2, we have Tesla. Electronic vehicle manufacturer Tesla has joined the ranks of companies holding Bitcoin, with the spec filling revealed that the company invests an average of $1.5 billion in the cryptocurrency. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings on Q1 2021. According to CEO Elon Musk, this was to improve liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to hold cash on balance sheets. Now, I'm gonna skim this before it gets a little too long. Number 3, we have Galaxy Holdings, the largest institute holder of Bitcoin to be directly involved with the crypto industry. Crypto-focused merchant bank Galaxy Digital Holdings holds 16,400 Bitcoin, according to its Bitcoin Treasuries.org, worth over $522 million in current price. Number 4 is Voyager Digital Ltd. Crypto brokerage Voyager Digital holds 12,260 Bitcoin, according to BitcoinTreasury.org, worth around $390 million at current price. The firm aims to provide one-stop shop for trading digital assets, and in May 2021 reported quarterly revenue of $60.4 million, up 16 from its previous quarter. We saw exponential adoption from cryptocurrencies as a recognized and investable asset class, said CEO Steve Ehrlich at the time. For number 5, we have Square Inc. Along with Tesla, Bitcoin buys Square's October 2020 investment of $50 million worth in Bitcoin lit the fuse for institutional investments in the cryptocurrency. Since then, the payments company has continued to invest in Bitcoin, revealing that it had scooped up another $170 million worth in its fourth quarter 2020 earnings statement. It was perhaps unsurprising considering that CEO Jack Dorsey is an enthusiastic advocate for Bitcoin, even running his own Bitcoin node. Jack tweets out, "More important than Square investing $50 million in Bitcoin is sharing how we did it so others can do the same." For number 6, there's Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc. Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital, unsurprisingly, is also a large holder of Bitcoin with 5,784 Bitcoin in its corporate treasury, worth around $184 million in current price. The company is aiming to build the largest Bitcoin mining operation in North America at one of the lowest energy costs, originated as its patent holding firm and was often referred as a patent troll before its pivot into crypto mining. 7th company on this list is Coinbase Global Inc., arguably the best known crypto firm in the list. Crypto exchange Coinbase went public in a direct listing on NASDAQ on April 2021. The move was hailed as its landmark for the crypto industry, though that hasn't been borne out by Coinbase's declining stock price. By July 2021, Coin was a full third lower than its price on its listing. Ahead of its listing in February 2021, Coinbase revealed that it held $230 million in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. By July 2021, its Bitcoin holdings had split into $143 million, 4,482 Bitcoin. 8th company on the list, Bitcoin Group SE. Germany-based venture capital Firm Bitcoin Group SE holds 3,949 Bitcoin, worth 126 million at today's price. Its investment includes crypto exchange Bitcoin.de and Futurum Bank, which is merged in October 2020 to form Germany's first crypto bank. Listed at number 9 is Hut 8 Mining Corp. Canadian crypto mining firm Hut 8 holds 3,522 Bitcoin, worth $112 million, according to BitcoinTreasury.org. In June 2021, the company listed in the NASDAQ Global Select Market under the HUT ticker, with the company's SEC filing nothing that it's committed to growing shareholder value by including the number and value of our Bitcoin holdings. Last but very not least, Riot Blockchain Inc., another crypto mining outfit, US-based Riot Blockchain, brings up the rear of the top 10 with relatively modest holdings of 2,443 Bitcoin, worth $71 million at today's price. With the value surging from below $200 million in 2020 to highs of over $6 billion in 2021, the NASDAQ-listed company has been on an aggressive expansion drive of late. In April 2021, it spent $650 million on 1 gigawatt Bitcoin mining facility in Rockdale, Texas, describing the purchase as a transformative event that would make the company the largest publicly traded Bitcoin mining and hosting company in North America, as measured by total developed capacity. So there you go. Those are the 10 public companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. Guys, if you feel like you're learning anything, you're grasping any information, please like, comment, subscribe, talk to me. Let me know what you feel. If you guys have any specific topic or any subject that you want to talk about, let it be known. Once again, we have MicroStrategy. Number 2, we got Tesla. Number 3, we have Galaxy Digital Holdings. Number 4, Voyager Digital Ltd. Number 5, Square. Number 6, Marathon Digital Holdings Inc. Number 7, Coinbase Global Inc. Number 8, Bitcoin Group SE. Number 9, Hut 8 Mining Corp. And number 10, Riot Blockchain Inc. Things are getting really hyped up with Bitcoin touching 40K yesterday. If we touch 44K, now I truly believe we will hit 100K, like real soon, guys. So hodl on. Make sure you purchasing little by little, only money that you're willing to risk. I hope you guys make some profits, and I'm out of here. Peace.